Good evening, once again. All right. Delanoselver at Nature Forest. This product. We're going to get into this product. This product was made from coconut palm or palm fronds. Actually, palm fronds. It didn't matter which particular palm it came from. Palm fronds, milled down. Palm fronds. Yes, you heard me right. Palm fronds. The damn limbs that hang off the side of a palm tree. Palm. Palm fronds. Milled down. It's a mix of rhyolite and perlite in here. That's perlite. And that's rhyolite. This product is the backbone of this product. What gave me the idea to use palm fronds or selecting one plant source material over a hodgepodge of materials, which everybody calls a mix or refer to as a mix. Oh, I got this limb in there, that limb in there. But here's the problem with that. Every material has a specific time barrier of breakdown. So it means, let's say you got oak in there, you got cedar, you got ficus, you got this, that, the third. All of these things have particular installed time parameters built into them throughout their growth cycle to actually break down, regardless of composting. Soil science, soil mastery of soil science 101. You know, everybody can say I went to school and I got a certificate. Well, that's just a piece of toilet paper. What did you do to actually build your own specific brand off of that piece of paper that was given to you by a scientist that worked at a college? So therefore you're an intern at the college that's building a bigger resume for him out of your works that you do there in his presence. Because everything you do at a college is documented for the benefit of the professor. So you're paying to get played. This is just source material and rhyolite alone. Yeah. By itself. Milled down. By itself. Through what's the millimeter on that I used? I guess you could say a 1/4 inch. Yeah, a quarter inch hole on the screen. That's what that's been milled down through. This and this and this. So I don't know what that is in millimeters, nor do I care. I know I just decided it had to be a 1/4 inch. I wanted to go through a 1/4 inch. Didn't care about the millimeters and all of the other jazz. What else did I do? Oh yeah, almost forgot. Coconut core. Made right here in South Florida. Coconut husk. Milled down. I think this was I know I started out with 30 coconuts. Milled it down. And that gave me about four wheelbarrows of material that I don't use throughout the 2 years. Yeah. So that's that. I don't have to import coconut husk or coconut core. There's coconuts all over Florida. Just pay the people to chop them down and give them to me. I'll process the shit myself.